All right, folks, here's an update on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Solana for you. We'll look at Solana first here. Again, we are very bullish on altcoins right now. You could see that every time we get this green dot with the wave down here, okay, it's a great time to buy. With our strategy, what we're looking for is this blue wave to be below this white line. That just indicates to us that we've had a big dramatic pullback here. We trade a weekly chart. These are swing trades. And you can see that Solana, the last time we got that dot was back in April, and it went from 120 up to 240. That was a really nice trade. We just recently had another green dot come in December, right at the end of December right there, about 2 weeks ago down here at 120. And we are pushing up. So we're bullish bias as long as this dot remains green. If we get a red dot, we have to make a decision, right? We have to either flip our stance or set a stop loss. But until that happens, right, we're trusting in the data, we're trusting in the indicators that have been right almost 100% of the time. Okay, if you look at it from a longer term standpoint, if you were buying down here, if you were buying Solana down here, right here, right here, since all the way back in the beginning in 2021, you made money every single time. Okay, the goal is to buy low and sell high. And Solana has pulled back close to 50% from its high. So it's down a lot right now. People aren't as excited about it as they were up here at 300. Everybody was jumping for joy back here in December when Solana was up here at $300. But we're not buying it when this wave is up here because we know that we've had a big move. This is where the majority of retail is going to buy. So we want to buy pullbacks, right? How do we know something's pulled back significantly? We look at that blue wave, see where it's at. If it's below the white line, that means we pulled back hard. Okay, and you've seen that pullback happen over the last couple of weeks. Let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about in the same area, right? If you're buying down here, you're making money. If you're buying down here, you're doing it right. Okay, if you're buying up here, you're not doing it right. We don't want to buy when the wave is up here. We want to buy when it's down here. And these signals don't come every day, guys. We trade a weekly chart. So again, the last time we got this signal was all the way back in April. You guys remember April? Everyone was bearish. Everybody was right screaming about the tariffs. Everyone was super scared. But if you shut off the noise and just listen to the data, what the chart says, which is what we base all of our decisions on here, is logic, data, and discipline. Okay, we need to have the discipline to wait till we get our signal. Once we get our signal, we have to take action, right? 84,000 in April on Bitcoin, it pushed all the way up to 120. That was a really nice trade. We're back down here in the same range, and we are breaking out here above 95K. I really like that. The last one we'll look at here for you, give you an update on all three of the big ones. We got Ethereum. Ethereum here, also signal down here. We were buying Ethereum back here in April. That was one of our best trades last year, and we're back bullish on it right now as long as that dot remains green there on ETH. I'll make a video here on XRP and a couple other ones in just a sec.